Good morning. It's absolutely stunning this morning. So, time to set off this morning. Set off at 4:15. Got here about 5:30. So, didn't do much recording because I'd climbed up a big steep hill and I was hanging out my arse, if I'm brutally honest. But hopefully I caught the sunrise okay on my time lapse. It's the first time I've used this camera, so I don't know how it's turned out. Hopefully it's turned out okay. But yeah, I didn't do much recording because, like I said, I was climbing up the side of this big steep hill. I'm just walking down into Winnats Pass now, and I'm going to walk back down and get back to the car. Catch you later. So, I'm just walking down through Winnats Pass. I was going to go up on Man Tour this morning, but there was thousands of people walking up there, so I decided to go up on top of Winnats Pass to see the sunrise, and I'm glad I did because there's not many people up there, probably half a dozen of people or so much quieter. But I'm just walking down Winnats Pass now. Look how beautiful this is. Just going to turn you around. Apart from the cars, of course, spoiling it, it's absolutely stunning. I love this place, if you can hear me. But we had an awesome cloud inversion this morning as well. First time I've ever seen it. Normally it's totally clagged in when I come up here, and I'm unlucky with this instance. But perfect cloud inversion. And we're just walking into it now. You can see that fog, that cloud, but it's starting to lift. I think as the sun's starting to burn it off. But absolutely stunning. Right, I'm at the bottom of Winnats Pass now. Speedwell Cavern is, obviously you can see. Good little place to go, that. Went there as a kid. Really enjoyed that. So yeah, I mainly come out today to see that sunrise, really, up on Winnats Pass. But what I want to do today, I'll turn you around so you can see my face. What I also want to do today is I'm trying to bag all these Ethels. I think there's, I don't know, 95 Ethels, I might be wrong. And I've done about, I don't know, 25, 26. So there's 3 I want to do. It's on Stanage Edge. I think it's High Neb, Stanedge Pole, and I think the third one is it White Moss Path. I've got that wrong. But they're the 3 I want to go and bag and add it to my list. But I want to get across there before it starts getting busy, because I think the Peak Disrict's going to be absolutely rammed today, because the weather is due to be, what, 30 degrees, and that's the other reason why I've come out early, to try and beat the heat. So all being well, if I can get a parking spot up at Stanage Edge, I'll speak to you all in a bit. See you later, bye. Well, I managed to get a spot. Managed to park up at Stanage Edge. There's loads of camper vans. it was to be expected, I suppose, but I got in. But I think another hour or two it's going to be no parking available, so I managed to get in. It's all good. So right next to the first trig point, my first Ethel that I need. I can't remember what it was called now. Winnats Pass, I think it was. That's the first one I want to get to. So if I turn around, look, you can probably see that in the distance there, a little white trig pillar. That's where I'm walking to next. So I'll see you in a minute when I get back up there, or in 10-20 minutes. Just look at this view here. Beautiful. Right, I got to my first one, my first Ethel. Nice and quick. You can see there, look. White Path Moss. That's what it's called. And so I'll just spin you around, look. You can see what I'm looking at. And now we're going that way. Right, so that's White Path Moss bagged. That's another Ethel done. So I'm going to start walking along this ridge now, Stanage Edge, and I'm going to walk towards High Neb and bag that one on the way back, cut inland a little bit. I think it's kind of that away, and get I think it's Stanedge Pole, and then I'll walk my way back. That's High Neb done. That's done, I think it's High Neb, yeah, High Neb. That's the second one done for today. So, look at them views. But I want to have a rest over there on this grass because it's hot, very hot. I bet it's mid to late 20s already, and it's, I don't know what time it is, 8:30, 9 o'clock, something like that. I mean, this morning it was, on my car it said it was 22 degrees at 4:15 in the morning. So yeah, really warm. But yeah, I'm going to get myself perched on here and have 5-10 minutes, and then walking on to Stanedge Pole. Yeah, so just had a 10-15 minute rest. Needed that because I'm sweating my tits off. You know, it's horrible. Too warm for me, but beautiful nonetheless. So yes, I just left High Neb, High Neb, and I'm just walking on to Stanedge Pole. That'll be my 3 Ethels done for today. I'm starting to get really hungry. I think some breakfast is in order. So I think once I've bagged my 3rd Ethel, I'm going to have a ride down into Ethel Edge and treat myself some breakfast. So yeah, I must get on and I'll speak to you later. Hello again. Right, I'm just walking up to Stanage Pole. It's I don't know, a few hundred metres in front of me. Still very quiet. There's a few runners running about. I think there's some event going off today. Rather than me, I don't want to be running in this heat. Don't like walking in it. It's yeah, I'm just coming up to Stanage Pole now, so I'll bring you back when I get there. Speak to you in a bit. Right, welcome back. I'm at you can see it, at Stanage Pole, which apparently is an old ancient boundary marker. So there it is. Look, now if you can see it, so I'll turn you around. And that's where we are. So that's where we've come from, and that's where I've got to go back, and then hang a left, follow that ridge along there, back to where I started, and back to the car. So I'll speak to you in a bit. Change my mind, I'm going off piste a little bit. Find this little this nondescript path. It cuts that big corner out down that horrible road that I've just walked up. So yeah, change the route, saving a bit of distance, and it's a bit more interesting. Not as many people along here, or none at all. So I'll speak to you later. Right. Not sure where this is taking me. I think this is called Robin Hood's Cave. Might be wrong. This is pretty cool. Right, back to where I go. That's pretty cool, that. That's me done. All 3 bagged. Nice little walk, that. Just been talking to some runners. There's loads of runners out today doing an event called Dig Deep. And there's a 30 miler and a 50 miler in this heat today, rather than me. No thank you. I have to get my fitness well up for that. Good luck to him though. Look, some tired faces already. But that's me done. So I'll walk back to the car now. It's just 100-200 metres in front of me. Then I'm going to get some food. Get some nice breakfast, I think, from Ethel Edge, and then off back home. So if you've bothered your arse to stay on this long, thanks for watching my video, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Take care everyone, bye bye.